Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about complete information of Wadayar dynasty. The Wadayar dynasty was founded in 1399 by Yaduraya Wadayar, who established his rule in Mysuru under the patronage of the Vijayanagara Empire. Rise to power. As the Vijayanagara weakened, the Wadayar rose to power and declared independence. Over time, they expanded their kingdom across southern Karnataka. Golden Age of Administration. Kings like Chikkadevaraja Wadayar laid the foundation for a strong administration, economy, and culture. They were patterns of art, literature, and temples. Hyder Ali to Tipu Sultan era 1761 to 1799. In the 18th century, Hyder Ali and later his son Tipu Sultan took over the control of Mysore. The Wadayars became symbolic rulers during this period. The British era. Restoration in 1799. After Tipu Sultan's death, 1799, the Britishers restained the Wadayars as the rulers of Mysore, princely state. They ruled under British supervision. Modernization under Krishnadevaraya Wadayar. 5. From 1902, Krishnadevaraja Wadayar IV and Sir M. Vishveshwaraya transformed Mysore into one of India's most progressive states, focusing on education, health, and infrastructure. Integration into India in 1947. Post-independence, the last Maharaja, Jayachamarajendra Wadaya, signed into the instrument of accession. Mysore became the part of the Indian Union. Legacy and today. Today, Wadaya family continues as a cultural symbol. Mysore Palace and the Dasara festival are a reminder of rich legacy. The current head of the family is Yaduveer Krishnadatta Chamaraja Wadayar. The Wadayar's royalty, culture, and progress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights. Thank you.